back to Effortless for YouTube channel. So today we are at Lhong 1919, which is the convenience mall right next to the Chao Phraya River. So we can check it out now.
Never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. Going with the gut, never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet, hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up, you can have it all. Watch me whip it off, I'll admit it, you got me feeling hella loved, even when it's going down.
So Lhong 1919 used to be a cargo where the Chinese merchants would come here and had a trade with the Thai. So it's very mesmerizing that it used to be a cargo over here, but then they changed everything to be a community mall over here. So as you can see, it looks pretty old, and you can see a lot of Chinese architectures over here. The fact that they have the street art over here. So I'm gonna wrap this video at Lhong 1919. So if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video to your friends, and I'll see you in the next vlogs. Peace out.
Here we are, a million stars floating over our heads, beating hearts, falling apart, staying